Hello friends, welcome to Moonblocks 360. So friends, today I'm going to unbox a new product and it is a blower. Yes friends, it is the blower and it is Ingco Blower and it has a power is 400 watt. Yes friends, so why we need a blower? Because we have a gaming computer, basically gaming computer. So on the time in that computer we cannot use any brush because of it's so risky. So friends, in that case for cleaning our PC dust, so we have to use this kind of blower and it's a Ingo blower. So here is the brand and I think it is one of the best blower in our country. Because of that, there is a huge blower in our country. Their price is so much below than this one, but I think if you want to use a long time, so for that reason Ingco brand and 400 watt is enough for your PC to clean your dust. Okay, so friends, let's unbox the product. So here when I first unbox it, so I can see so friends, it's basically 400 watt and here we also know there is many another models is the 600 watt and 800 watt, but for your PC cleaning 400 watt is enough. So at the first when I open the box, there we can see the manual guide. I think it's a manual guide, so take aside. So then I find a bag. So yes friends, it's a bag. There's a branding Ingo, so I think it's a dust bag, so it's good. And here is a chain system, so you can remove the dust from here by opening this chain. So aside it, then here is the pipe of the blower. Yes, it's really good. It's plastic build, but it's solid and so much good. It's heavy. And then the blower. So also there is another manual guide. So two manual guide in one box. Why they did it, I don't know, but yes, it's good. So I just opened it. Yes friends, look at this. Yeah, it's really so good and it's quite heavy. So and there is 2-pin charger. I mean the port is only 2-pin plug. So here, so now I'm going to attach everything here. Yeah, here's the blower pipe and here is the point, another point, and there's another point. So friends, I have to say you at first that if you put this pipe on this side, so it will work as a blower, and if you put this pipe on this side, so it will work as a vacuum cleaner. So yes, it's 2-in-1. So friends, I'm going to attach it. Yes, so friends, it is. So now I have to plug it in the power. So here is a switch. Okay, you can see here is a switch and by pressing it will work. And here is another button and it is for the lock of this button. So it is a lock button. So if you want to use it for a long time, so you have to press this button. So here is also branding the Ingco. So it is fully plastic built but heavy, so much heavy. So friends, there is another one. This one have to put in here, but it is not necessary put in here. But when you will put this one in this aside, so on that time for vacuum purpose you have to put this one in here. So then it will work as a vacuum cleaner. So yes, it's also good because if you are going to use it for both of this two way. So friends, now I am going to show you how it's work. So friends, now I am going to show you its level, the sound level. So you will see how it's work. It's so much powerful. So when you will use it by yourself, so then you will understand how much powerful it is. So and friends, I will also show you the vacuum purpose. So friends, when I use it as a vacuum cleaner, so look at this. So yes friends, it really worked very nicely. So friends, if you like this product, you can buy it from any shop in our country, and it's priced about 1200 taka. So you will also get it in the online shop, and it's about also 1200 and about it. But I will recommend you to buy it by yourself to the shop, and you can also check it from the shop, and you will also get 1 year warranty in that shop. So friends, I think for cleaning a PC, it is the best, because there's another huge company and huge product, the blower, so in your online shop or any other shop. But I will recommend you to buy this product, this brand product, because it is good for value. So friends, if you like this product, so please give a thumbs up in my channel and also my video. So friends, also if you like this product, you can also comment below, and if you want to see the next video of my channel, so friends, please subscribe my channel, and by subscribe my channel I get inspired by you. So friends, till then, Allah Hafiz.